It's not too bad out here.
Mom, take off your sweatshirt. It's not that cold.
Toys are in the back left corner. I'll meet you over there. Hey, good morning guys. It is Brad with Bolo Pickers. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Brad. My wife Angela and I do full-time online selling. We sell on eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. We're in the back of our bookstore. We also run a local bookstore, and that's where we do all of our online shipping. So today's video is going to be what sold on eBay. We have 5 orders going out, I believe. 3, 4, 5, yep. And although we had 9 orders, we've had 4 people not pay. Not paying has been a big issue, and actually with this very first item that we sold, this is a Build-A-Bear Power Ranger, sold for $15, free shipping. Buyer did not pay. I had to open a case. Once I did, they paid right away, so that's going out today. That'll ship first class. We paid 99 cents for it at Goodwill. The next item up is this Fisher Price. This is vintage. I can't remember the year on it. I'll look real quick to give you a little bit more information on it. It's missing one of the little people. So this is Fisher Price 2015, definitely not vintage. Don't know why I said that. It looks vintage. 2015, it sold for $14.99, buyer paid shipping, and it probably cost us $3 at Goodwill. We have 2 DVDs going out today. DVDs come in free through our bookstore as donations, and then sometimes we sell them online. The only reason we're selling the Grease 2, I've got about 20 of this kind and 20 of a same exact movie but a different case, was because we got so many, and I can list 20 of them by taking, 2 pictures, maybe 3 pictures, and sending them in. This sold for $4.99, free shipping. It's going to cost us $2.88 to ship out, so about $3 or so all in with the bubble mailer, and that's going to make us a couple bucks. Well, probably $1.50. Then we have 2 of a kind. This sold. They just paid for it. I'd already packaged it. This is how we send out our DVDs. We put them in a bubble mailer like this. This also sold, I think it was $2.99, but the buyer paid shipping on that. Sony headphones. Anytime you find genuine Sony headphones, they're a good pickup. This is I'll give you the model number to look for on the Sony because they are pretty good. It's MDR 210 was the model number on these. These sold for $15, free shipping. I think we had a list them for $19. But we took the best offer. That will go in a tiny box with a little bit of bubble wrap, and we'll send it on its way. The last item's too big for me to pick up, but it is John Sanford books. I'm going to show you right here, and this right here, it's a lot of Sanford. If you know John Sanford as an author, he creates a lot of books. So what we did, we didn't have room in the bookstore because we had too many of Sanford already. We lotted up 21 of the Prey novels in order, 1 through 21, and this lot sold for $55 plus buyer paid shipping. So a nice pickup there, a really good return because we didn't pay for any of those books. So with our bookstore, we donate 1 book back for every book that we sell in store. We donated over 20,000 books last year, so we're pretty proud of that fact and helping our community to do so. So give me a few minutes and we're going to set up to show you what we found thrifting yesterday. Alright, so we went thrifting yesterday. We hit 3 different Goodwills. It was my wife and the kids, and we always have a lot of fun on Mondays thrifting. It's when the bookstore is closed, so we get a whole day to thrift. We did, like I said, hit 3 different Goodwills. The very first Goodwill we hit was the best, but we didn't do too bad, so you're going to see me turn and grab some of this stuff. I'm going to go pretty quick because we bought a lot of different stuff. So first up is this called Atmosphere. It's a board game. It's a DVD board game. Paid $3.99 for this. This is selling on Amazon. The sales rank's about 300,000, which means it's a little slower moving. Brand new, these are 300. This is selling used for about 125 bucks. So a great find right off the start. Hopefully everything is here. So we'll check that later today and see. Tripoli, this is a bolo for you if you sell on Amazon. This is the diamond edition. You can see how kind of bright it is. This right here we paid, I want to say like $2.99 for. Yep, $2.99, and this is going to sell for about 25 bucks on Amazon. All right, we got some shoes, quite a few shoes. These are New Balance hiking boots. They got the Vibram soles. They're in pretty good condition. We're gonna have to clean them up, but the soles look really good. The heels feel really good, and I think these are gonna sell for about 40 bucks. We paid $4.99 for them at Goodwill. Usually I walk right by Asics. However, these looked really good condition. As you can see, they're in really good condition. The heels or the soles have a little bit of wear on them, but these sell for about $35 at the low end in decent condition, which these are. And we paid $3.99 for these. All right, moving on to something I know nothing about. I know nothing about this. This was $2.99. I looked up Alita something. This is some type of gear. I don't know if it's for a bike, I'm guessing, but it does have a number on the back. The kit that I found, those are selling in the $50 to $60 range. I think I can probably get 20 to 30 bucks out of that. So not a bad find there. Got a hat. This is pretty cool. It's a trucker hat. It is new. And all of our hats at our Goodwills around here are always 99 cents. So I think we'll be able to get probably 15 bucks out of this with free ship. Maybe with shipping because it's new and it still has the tags on. Love selling hats. I got some of these for 99 cents, not to resell, but when I'm cleaning shoes, I can place them down in and rub on the toe a little easier. So hopefully that will help out. Got this vintage Casio HR100. This was $3.99 with the box. I think we can probably get $20 to $25 out of it. We got some really interesting clothing, which I'm probably not going to show you all the clothing, but we're hoping this is authentic. This is a Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers t-shirt. We're really hoping this is authentic. It does have a tag up here. It has Canvas USA. I'm not sure. I'm not a big clothing seller, so I don't know if that's legit or not. We'll probably put it in a Facebook group and see if it is legit. This t-shirt sells anywhere from $50 to $150, this exact kind, used condition like it is. My wife bought a whole bunch of clothing that I don't know anything about, but this t-shirt's really cool. It shows your lungs, and it is made by Vivisect. I think she said she couldn't find it, but she liked the shirt, so she purchased it. All t-shirts at our Goodwills are $1.99, and on certain days we get them for 99 cents when it's half off. So I'm going to move away from clothing. We had a few more in there. You might see a few more, I don't know. We'll see what's in this tote down here. So my wife found these boots, and there's cups in them. So when we're packing, we put the cups down in there. You must be from Tennessee because you're the only 10 I see mug. 69 cents, if you can see that on there. It's upside down. 69 cents for that. We found another mug. I found this mug. This is made by Kent Pottery, and it was 69 cents as well. It's a British flag. It's really cool. I found comps on those around the $15 mark. Found these cool boots made by Pajar Canada. Pahar. I don't know how you say that word, but these are really nice looking. Look at these. They're really cool boots. My wife found these. These are, I think, $5.99 at our Goodwill, and I think she said she can probably get 25 to 30 bucks out of them. So pretty exciting there. I guess we can stick on shoes. Found some Skechers extra wide. As you can see, they're really wide. They're in great condition, and these are extra wide SN51286E wide, which stands for the extra wide. These cost me $4 or $3.99 plus tax, and these sell for about 40 bucks used, so pretty excited about that. Some of the better finds yesterday, we found a Explorer controller, red octane, for, I'm not sure which system this is. Looks like the Xbox 360. Pretty sure that's what it said when I looked it up. But these are selling in the $40 to $50 range. We're going to clean it up. It's got some scuffs. We could probably get some of that stuff off of there. But we paid $3.99 at Goodwill for that. So if that turns into a $40 or $50 sale, we'll be real happy with that. All right, we got a couple Peroni glasses. My wife loves glassware. We have a Peroni, you can see this one's gonna need cleaned up. We've got a big glass, like a picture of this same model, looks like the exact same, on sale on eBay already. We'll probably pull that down and put these with it to create a nice little lot for a potential buyer. Okay, moving along. Moving along. Okay, found these super cool wedge tennis shoes, and these are made by Exhilaration. I'm not sure if that's like a Kohl's company, a Target. It says Target right on there. However, these are pretty rare, pretty unique. I found these, we paid $3.99 for them, but I found these comps sold for this exact model in between $25 and $30. So pretty excited about that. This is probably my smallest buy, Sprite showers. It was $1.99. This sells for $12 to $15 free ship. It's not super heavy, but it'll be an easy, it's a new package, super easy to list, super easy to ship. Whenever we can pick up $5 by just doing something real quick, we will. I got one more board game called Abalone, or Abalone, I'm not sure. $2.99 for this on Amazon. These are selling, I think, in the $45 range. So we will definitely check to see if everything's there and send it in. So the last, well, let's see, we got 4 items left to show you. 2 cameras. This is an Olympus Infinity 76. That sells for about 25 bucks. And then we have an Olympus Stylus Zoom 140. I believe these sell for about 35 or 40. Both of these were told to me to be in working condition. I bought them on Facebook Marketplace. I think we're gonna make 40 to 50 bucks in sales on these. I paid $2 for both, so $1 a piece, and it was on Facebook Marketplace. So keep looking on Facebook Marketplace, guys. You can find stuff. You just have to constantly look. This is, I've got two other items that are really cool that kind of made our day. This is a Wilson Hyper Pro Staff 6.1 double braid. Apparently this is pretty rare. It's in pretty good condition. It's a little rough on the top. The grip is going to need replaced, but either I'll do that or just let the buyer do it. $2.99, and these are selling in the $60 to $100 range used. So really excited to find that. Found that at the first Goodwill. And last but not least, I lied. Yeah, there's more stuff. There's more stuff. There's a shirt. There's another shirt. We bought a lot of shirts yesterday, and I don't know a lot about them because my wife sells those, but we've got these vintage VTech phones. There's a blue one that you can see here. They're cordless. And then a green one, which you see here. We paid $3.99 each for these. These sell between $25 and $35. Just gotta make sure they turn on, and they look like they're in really good condition. So I was excited to find those. Now, on to the last item that I'm super excited to share with you. I paid up for this, was $15. Yep, $14.99. And it's a Sony, and it's a Sony 5 CD changer plus burner. The model number is RCD W500C on Amazon. Brand new, these go for about $1,500. Used, they're going for about 300 bucks, and they have a really good rank in electronics. So gonna test this out, make sure it works, put some cords with it, send it into Amazon, and maybe turn $15 into $300. I know we'll at least get a couple hundred out of it. So those are all of our finds at the Goodwill, a little bit of Facebook Marketplace that we shop on. We do look at Craigslist. We don't do a whole lot of pallets. We've been asked that before. There is a few places in Indianapolis, which we're just outside of, that are starting to do some pretty good pallets, so we may start looking at that just a little bit more. But hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It's going to be somewhere, I think, down over here. and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate every view, every subscribe, and every comment that we get. If you have any questions, just comment us. We'll answer as fast as we can on YouTube. You can follow us on Instagram or contact us there at Bolo Pickers. Again, my name is Brad. Thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you guys soon.